My name's Erik Reppel. I'm a machine learning platform engineer at Coinbase. It's my first time speaking at Scale by the Bay. It's my first time speaking at any conference. I heard about it because Alexa reached out to me on Twitter. I've heard of Scale by the Bay before. Just, it's a famous conference. But it's the first time I ever thought about speaking at it was when Alexa reached out. Yeah, I think my favorite part about my talk is that it's like an actual narrative about a thing I tried to do. And so it's not some kind of stuffy lecture about it's actually like I live tweeted a project I tried to build, and then it walks you through my progress on the day. And then the most important part I think is the takeaways and the learnings of here's where we are in terms of machine learning on mobile, and here's where we could get to in a few years if everything goes well. Well, it's most of the Coinbase's machine learning is around fraud. We have some stuff around UX and kind of improving the quality of platform for customers, and I think that's only going to become an increasing portion of how we deploy machine learning. And machine learning on mobile helps our company scale because it means it reduces the amount of compute resources we need to deploy, because all the models can be just run on mobile. Effectively, customers' phones are where all of the model evaluation, which we would otherwise have to host, is actually run. Over the next year, I'm really looking forward to continuing to see engineering effort go into machine learning. I think that machine learning is often treated as mostly a research field, and we're only starting to scratch the surface as to how we can make it better aligned with engineering as a domain. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to Paige's Swiffer TensorFlow talk. That's probably the one I'm most looking forward to. What else? I was just in a Flink talk that was pretty good. I really liked, I forgot the speaker's name. I really enjoyed the Were We Right All Along? The talk about Moore's Law and how Wright's Law may be actually the better indicator of future progress. At Scale by the Bay, it's been really interesting to see the breadth of people who are here and companies and what they're working on, and how everyone is roughly trying to do the same things, but they're kind of taking slightly different approaches, and everyone's kind of learning from each other. I think that Scale by the Bay, it's only the second, third year that it's been Scale by the Bay rather than Scala by the Bay. I think that it's still very Scala heavy, and I'm looking forward to, now that cutting edge deep learning is mostly Python, and we're moving kind of into a hybrid world where not everything is Scala. I'm looking forward to more more non-Scala based talks. You can definitely feel the Scala roots, and as a guy who doesn't really program Scala, it's very admirable, but it's not as much of a thing that I'm into.